Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get a free Google Voice phone number. So to get started with the guide, and now you can simply get a Google Voice phone number. So to get started, the first thing to do is to sign up into your Google Voice. So visit voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Then from there, you have to choose a Google Voice number. So to get that, click on for personal use and select your platform. So if you're on a website, select your website. If it is on Android, select Android. If it's on iOS, select iOS. Then from there, enter your desired city or area code to see available number. So from there, select a number from the list provided. Then on step 3, you have to link and verify an external phone number. So to do this, Google Voice requires you to link an existing United States phone number for a verification. So enter your current phone number and click send code. Then enter the verification code you send to your phone to confirm. Then from there, you have to complete the setup, which is a step 4. So after verification, your Google Voice will be active. You can now make and receive calls and texts, and also access voicemail through the Google Voice, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.